These double X's should be a dead giveaway for what we're going to talk about today, but we'll be going over the entire UNIQLO and Andy Warhol KAWS collab. You know, when I do reviews, I can't just cover one t-shirt. We got a plethora of items to go over today, so hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Leave a thumbs up on today's video. Let's get started. Over the years, the collection has definitely expanded from just basic graphic tees. We still have graphic tees and graphic sweaters, but we now have tote bags, sweats, and a jacket. There's also socks in this collection, but they're not going to be featured in today's video. We've always been used to seeing KAWS and UNIQLO collab, but what makes this one extra special is that we're getting an additional artist, which is Andy Warhol, featured on all of the pieces as well. So we're going to have both of their designs in this capsule collection. First up, we have the graphic tees, which retail at 29 Canadian dollars, and they fit true to size. I'm wearing a size small in this here, and it fits my frame perfectly. I'm 5'5" and 132 pounds. Honestly, I love the fit of these t-shirts. They're very standard, and the cotton is a lot thicker compared to the previous collection. The graphics are nice too because they feature designs from both artists on both of the tees, as you guys saw. I love the black t-shirt specifically from this collection, and the sleeve length is very standard, so you can roll it up if you want to fit a little more snug on the arms. Next up is the graphic sweatshirts, which retail at 49 Canadian dollars, and for that price point, you're even getting some embroidery with the dual signatures on the back, which is a really nice touch. These do fit more on the relaxed side, so if you're going for a more fitted look, I suggest you guys size down, but if you want that relaxed fit and feel that comes along with the sweatshirt, then definitely stay true to size. The sleeves are on the looser side, but the neckline is pretty snug and tight, so it does bounce back quickly. And we even have drop shoulders, which adds to the relaxed look of this particular piece. Next up is the sweatpants, which retail at 49 Canadian dollars, and these do have a relaxed look to them. So you can definitely size down because the waistline is pretty forgiving on these, and they complement the sweatshirt pretty well. We also have the same dual embroidered signature up in the front, and in the back, 2 back pockets, which is really hard to find in men's sweats. Moving on to one of the more exciting pieces, we have the Coach's jacket, which retails at 89 Canadian dollars. I love the back print on the blue one, it really stuck out to me. Similar to other Coach's jackets, it features a snap button enclosure for the entire piece. We also have some really strong elastic cuffs on the sleeves, which I really appreciated. Now when it comes to sizing, you can definitely size down because it is a relaxed piece and it is on the longer side, so if you're a shorter individual like myself, it will go past your waist. What I do like about this piece though is the attention to detail, especially on the inner lining, with the dual designs on the inside and inner pocket as well. Finishing things off, we got this very durable canvas tote bag with similar designs as the graphic tees, and what I really love is that inside flap with embroidered signatures for your wallet or cell phone for easy access. Overall, this is a great piece. It even has dual handles as well, so you can just hold it or wear it across your shoulders. So those are all the items, and hands down, this design has to be one of my favorites. I've shied away from graphic tees and designs, but this is the one. Probably my favorite thing about today's video is that I can tell you guys nothing is actually sold out yet. You should still be able to pick up any of the items you want, whether it's on your regional UNIQLO website or going to your local UNIQLO store, just walking in and grabbing the items you like. And if you guys are going to say the book is sold out on the UNIQLO website, don't worry about it because it's still available on the publisher's website and should still be available to purchase. It's crazy to think how far this collection has grown and come. I started recording these videos in my parents' house, reviewing 2 simple graphic tees that dropped. Then we moved on to plushies with the Sesame Street collaboration, and now we have the KAWS and Andy Warhol collaboration. And the coolest part about this particular piece is that it was actually gifted to me by UNIQLO at their launch party in Toronto to preview this entire collaboration, which was honestly so cool and such a big moment for me, and I really do appreciate them for inviting me out and for all of your support because none of this would be possible without all of you watching my videos. If you guys want to see how that event went and you want to see more content from me in short form content, then make sure you guys check out my TikTok and Instagram, which will be linked somewhere over here for you guys. It really means a lot to me if you guys follow me on the socials. I've been trying to expand the platforms and expand my content as well. Once again, thank you guys for watching me and supporting these videos. If you want to see more videos on my channel on reviews, streetwear, or anything like that, make sure you guys check out one of these 2 videos linked over here for you. And with that said, make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time.